So that's your personal account, Derek?
Oof. Interesting, right? Because he definitely was very standoffish in the beginning, but by continuing to ask him questions, he was kind of able to open up. And again, that information that we receive from a prospect is equally as valuable as securing next steps, because then I can really fabricate a good story or a good reason to follow up with him. Hey, Derek, I know that you told me on our call last week that you just started on TikTok. Is there any way that we can support or amplify what you're currently doing? How much more powerful is that compared to just following up? Following up to my last email, following up to a general email. This was really tough. As you could tell, cold call is like eating glass. There's no easy process to it. People are always going to be standoffish. It's what you make of it. It's what you receive from it. It's what you learn from it. And it's what you can take away from these calls that you can implement to your next set of cold calls. But that information, that practice, that insight is equally as valuable as the next steps that you secure.